In the heart of the Roman Empire, where the Colosseum stood as a testament to power and spectacle, lived a man named Marcus, a gladiator whose life was a dynamic tapestry of courage, struggle, and fate. Marcus, a former slave, found himself thrust into the arena, his destiny forever entwined with the blood-soaked sands of the gladiatorial games. Born in a distant province, he was captured and taken to Rome, where his strength and agility caught the eye of the powerful Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor. The arena was a crucible, a place where fate was forged. The crisp morning air resonated with the clanging of swords, the roar of the crowd, and the cries of the fallen. For Marcus, it was a living nightmare, a world away from the simple life he once knew. In the crucible, Marcus faced countless opponents, each battle a test of his mettle. He fought with a ferocity that left spectators in awe, and his victories earned him the adoration of the crowd. Yet, victory was fleeting, for each triumph brought with it the specter of the next battle. One fateful day, Marcus faced his most formidable opponent yet, a seasoned gladiator named Maximus. The crowd roared, the air was thick with tension. The contest was fierce, a ballet of steel and sweat. In the end, Marcus emerged victorious, his sword plunged deep into Maximus' chest. His victory was a turning point. The emperor, impressed by Marcus' prowess, granted him his freedom. Marcus, no longer a slave, became a free man, his name echoing throughout the empire. But freedom was a bittersweet reward. Marcus, once a gladiator, was now a symbol of the empire's might. He was admired, respected, but he was also a reminder of the bloodshed that the games demanded. In the twilight of his life, Marcus found solace in the arms of a woman named Lucia. She was a former slave, a victim of the same system that had made him a hero. Together, they built a life, a sanctuary away from the arena. Yet, the arena called to Marcus. He returned, not as a gladiator but as a protector, ensuring that the games were fair, that no man was forced to fight against his will. Marcus' life was a testament to the Roman spirit. He was a man of the arena, a man of Rome, a man of valor. His story serves as a reminder of the power of the human spirit, of the courage it takes to rise above adversity, and of the price paid for the entertainment of the masses. In the end, Marcus, the gladiator, was more than just a man of the arena. He was a symbol of hope, a beacon of defiance in the heart of the Roman Empire. His story, like the sands of the Colosseum, will forever be etched in the annals of history.